Hi, I'm Nick, and I'm the solutions engineer here at Whereby. Today, we're going to be talking about some additional branding options that you have available to you. We have another video that discusses some of the bigger picture branding options that are available via your dashboard. But today, the devil is in the details, and we have some URL parameters to customize the experience a little bit further. So first, we're going to look at the background equals off parameter. Essentially, this parameter allows you to hide the meeting background so that you can have whatever your kind of branding and colors are on your website or on your web page. That's going to shine right through as the meeting background, so you don't have to be concerned with trying to customize the room color background for every single meeting that you might have. So here you'll see I have a test room. I've selected one of the default colors available for the Whereby options on the dashboard, and it sticks out a little bit for my little test page that I've created here. So I'm going to jump into the code, and you'll see I'm using our Whereby Embed element. So I can actually add this as an attribute directly on the Whereby Embed element here. I don't even need to do it as a parameter. But if you're doing an iframe, you can add it right to your URL in the iframe. So I'm going to go ahead and save this and refresh. And now you'll see my website's branding is coming through here. So next, let's take a look at our avatar URL. So your users may actually have already uploaded their own images on your platform, and it might make sense for you to actually, pass those avatars through to the meeting room and meeting experience, so that your users kind of have their own personalities there within the meetings. And so here I'm going to add this as a parameter on my source URL. I'm just going to go ahead and paste that in. I have an image from Imgur that I've uploaded. And if I go ahead and refresh, you'll see you've all been rickrolled. And then lastly, we have another option here for the virtual background URL. So this would be the actual camera image behind me. It works the same way as our background URL, where I can basically add in the background URL parameter here with a URL. And when I refresh, I should have a nice custom image behind me. So we oftentimes see this with our customers using to maybe upload some branding for their end users from some of their platforms to add a little bit of privacy from the room behind them, but then also kind of add that pop of customization and make things that much more custom and friendly on your platform, and make things feel more integrated. We hope you enjoyed. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out.